Hello everyone, this is my first ever voiceover for cake making process. I'm making this complete cake for the very first time, I guess. Here I used cake mix by Italiano Cuisine. Let's see how it comes out. So as written there, I added 1 and 1 by 4 cups of water, 1 cup of oil and 3 eggs. It was my kid's birthday, so I decided to make the cake with whatever choices I had. I was short on 3 things. Number 1, oven. Number 2, hand mixer, and it was too hot and no electricity. It was very difficult to do all the jobs at once. Well, here I'm dividing cake batter for like 2 cake layers. Lately I added third one by making my own cake batter. Well, be with me for all the interesting details coming up. Here I am greasing the bottom of the pan. After this I put butter paper and pour all the cake batter in this. Let me tell you one thing. I didn't preheat the pan and pan is directly placed on the stove. I think I'll be the only one doing this thing with amazing results. See, skewer is all clean. Cake is cooked perfect. I remove this black spots with the help of a knife. And well, I'm wrapping the cake layers in this clinging sheet and I will put them in the fridge to cool them. And let me tell you, cake layers were like not too hot, not too cold. After like one day, I took them off from the fridge because I was not feeling well that day. So I decided to make them the next day. Here I am leveling, balancing out this cake layer, but I was unable to do it properly. I was bad in doing that. So this layer, I made it myself. Is the cake mix layer. It was smooth and good. Here I am like cutting the edges. To moist the cake, I just mixed sugar and the milk and it was all good. Let me tell you a short story. I had to make chocolate ganache for my cake because I was not having hand mixer to whip the cream and make that creamy cake. But when I worked on the layers, I was like, I'm short on ganache. To cover the layers, what did I do was that I took the whipping cream, all of the sudden whipped it up as much as I could, but I was unable to get the stable cream. Then this thought of mixing the chocolate ganache with this cream came to my mind, and I did that. But I couldn't record the clip for that as I was all crying and weeping. Well, to moist the cake is very important. If you leave it like unmoist, it will be dry, heavy and not soft. So to moist the layer with your like favorite syrup is very important. Here I am adding chocolate chips to this layer. With every bite you have, you just feel like wow. I'm applying the sweet milk syrup on the second layer of cake and look, the amount of ganache I took and spreading on this cake layer. I was too short for that and I was like, how I'm gonna cover the whole of the like cake. Because I knew I cannot make the whipped cream. I tried it once but I'm unable to do that. So that was in my mind that I cannot do that. But see, somehow I like did that. Yes, it was not good, too good, but It was okay, and the taste was yummiest, I must say. Taste was very good, very good. It was very delicious cake. But yes, appearance is not that good, but the taste was good, I must say. So it was my first time. In my imaginations, I was like, I can do this, but practically I was like unable to do that. Look, cake layers are not that leveled up. But yes, you can try it at home too. Ignore my messy hands. I was like running short on time, and I knew that I have this option of buying another cake, but to know this, I was still like, look, I tried to make the flowers on top, but it melted right away because the cream was not stable. I had this beautiful edible pearls and some stars